This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can enable or enter the high resolution camera mode on this device. So if you are at the if you would like to take a picture at the high resolution mode regularly, just scroll the list of modes to the More section, and then here tap at the Ultra HD option. And as you can see, there are actually two Ultra HD values. One of them is 50 megapixels and another one is 200 megapixels. So let's take a photo in each of those resolutions. So starting with the 200 megapixels mode, then 50 megapixels, and then I'll just take somewhat similar picture at the regular photo mode. And now let's go ahead and compare their specs or details. So here is the resolution and file size for the regular picture. Here is the same information for the one that is 50 megapixels. And that's the item details for the 200 megapixels photo. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.